Hello everyone, it's me Isaac. I just want to make a brief statement about this issue of this coronavirus. A lot of things. I want to really thank everyone who has really been keeping the um the rules in order to not to get this virus, things to avoid in order to get this virus. So I want to use the opportunity to encourage one of us, those who have devoted our time, and to our doctors, nurses, all over the world who keep fighting to make sure that they keep us safe. Yeah, they are working for us too. We that have not been able to contact that have not contacted the virus. It's a good thing for us that there are some people here fighting to make sure that everything ends. And I want to use the opportunity to still encourage us to still keep the things, keep doing the things they ask us to do. The authorities ask us to do, keep staying at home. I know it's not easy, it has not been easy, and it will never be easy. We'll have to do it. A lot of countries have eased their lockdown, they have gone back to normal businesses, but at least still maintain social distancing, and it's very important to you put on your nose mask. It's very important, and a lot of things you have to do in order to keep yourself. Always wash your hands. It's very important. Make sure you wash your hands. Yeah, thank you.